I live each day to increase my light and that of the world. All situations that occur are for the greater good of myself and all humanity. Today, I am grateful for all that is good. Being sick does not mean God/Source doesn't love me. Recovery means I love myself. My inner beauty is easy for everyone to see. I am inspired to live my dreams and have faith that all is well. I cannot fix everyone, but I can make a difference. My light worker gifts are meant to heal, not hinder my own life. I can only stay in the dark for so long before I seek out the light. I am a perfect petal on a flower that is humanity. I do not worry because I know all is well with God/Source besides me. It's perfectly okay to feel happy, safe, and secure. All things in my life are in perfect balance, and I live in harmony with all mankind. I refuse to allow my light energy to be depleted by others. I am here for a reason, and I will fully execute my purpose. I accept myself and my own limitations. I cannot heal others if they will not heal themselves. It's okay to experience abundance in my life. I accept myself for being imperfect. I allow myself to fail and learn from the process of failure. I am exactly where I am supposed to be at this time in my life. God creates the map. I choose the roads to take. I have free will to walk the path I choose. My mind, body, and spirit are in perfect alignment. I have complete faith in my inner knowing. I will always find my way out of the darkness. Retribution does not exist, only unconditional love does. I will always have faith in the universe and its divine plan. Fear creates dark energy. I refuse to live in the darkness. I am free to pursue my divine mission. Only I have the power to manifest the relationships I desire. I accept my dark days just as I do my light days. My intuition is a gift from God/Source, and I follow it without question. It's okay to be praised. I am a beacon of light for the world. My hands are filled with healing energy, and I share it effortlessly with the world. I am always safe in the light of God/Source's love. If I release my wishes to the universe, they will be returned to me in proper form. The universe is always correct. Today, I will make a conscious choice not to live in fear. Today, I will consciously create more light energy in my life. I place my ultimate fate in the hands of God, Source, and I know all is as it should be. Today, I live in the light-inducing emotion of love. I believe in the power of the collective and claim my part there. Today, I will appreciate the skin I live in. My physical body and spiritual self work harmoniously together to create the life I desire. I affirm that we can achieve world peace. All choices are my own to make. I reap what I sow. I am always conscious of the divine guidance that is sent my way. My body is the vessel of my soul, and I honor it. I will be loved by those around me for who I am without conditions. It's never too late to make things right. Today, I will give my inner child a huge hug. Today, I will make a conscious choice to appreciate and accept my flaws. Today, I will stop and appreciate the beauty of earth and be thankful. I will not take on the dark energies of those around me. Today, I make a conscious choice to live in the light-inducing state of generosity. I am always wrapped in a blanket of unconditional love by God, Source. I release all that does not support my greatest good. I cannot heal the world by myself, but I claim my part in the collective healing energy of the universe. I can make a difference in my own life and the lives of others. Today, I will make a conscious choice to forgive and not harbor ill will for anyone. My greatest challenges have brought me only spiritual enlightenment. I will love myself unconditionally and for all my shortcomings. Today, I will send love and light to someone who hurt me. When I overcome dark energy in my life, I transmute it for the entire planet as well. Prayer is the highest form of self-love. If there were no dark night, we would never see the sunrise. Today, I will make a conscious choice to forgive myself. We are all neighbors in the community of mankind. Love thy neighbor. Greed is just fear of lack in disguise. The universe is abundant, and I will have all I ever need. I remember that dark energy will only be transcendent in my life. It is my choice to exit the dark. I stay as long as I choose. Today, I will be the light in the darkness for myself and others. I am loved and supported in everything I do. Not one good deed goes unnoticed by God, Source. Let me be a guide. Let my light guide those who are in the darkness.